Well, when I came to the US Senate, nobody knew anything about digital assets. Nobody knew the difference between Bitcoin and alternative coins. And so we've worked hard to educate members of the Senate. We created a financial innovation caucus. Kirsten Gillibrand and I put together a financial framework for the management of the entire crypto industry. We now are seeing some of the fruits of those labors, planting the seeds of understanding within the Congress about how this asset class is growing, how Bitcoin is a store of value and a means of exchange, how Ethereum is possibly a blockchain platform that can be used for a variety of applications. So this is an industry that's starting to gain the attention of everyday Americans, and it's going to be an important part of our economy going forward unless we blow it.
What's going on, my free thinking rebels? There you had Wyoming Senator Cynthia Lummis talking a little bit about how uneducated the Congress is and their attempts at bringing this education. And her exact words were, Bitcoin is the store of value, Ethereum is the blockchain for building, and hopefully they can make this work and they don't blow it. That's the key right now for the US. Hopefully they don't blow it. And we can see this happening not just with the Congress, but we can now clearly see there's a political battle happening between everybody right now. You have the Biden administration now trying to put themselves in the place of someone who understands crypto and who want to advocate for crypto, which they have not been doing in the past. We have Trump poising himself again as the crypto candidate. We also have JF Kennedy, who has been a Bitcoin holder for a very long time. He's been behind crypto for a long time. So who is the best for us? You're going to have to make your own decision. It doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, you just need to protect yourself. You just need to utilize your knowledge to safeguard your wealth for yourself and your family. And my free thinkers, that's what we do here at Breakout Solutions. Let's jump into a couple of articles. We're going to keep this video pretty short, pretty nice. We're going to look at a bit of news from CoinDesk. US lawmaker at Center of Crypto Negotiations predict the digital asset law by next year. So Patrick McHenry, the retiring chairman of the House Financial Services Committee, said he is confident that his crypto legacy will become permanent policy by 2025. He goes on to say, we will have crypto law within the next year, and I can say that with certainty. McHenry, who's been wrangling the crypto legislation in the House, argued that the outcome is assured by the massive level of bipartisan backing last week for his financial innovation and technology for the 21st century. With more than a third House Democrats showing up to vote yes, despite pushback from the White House, he said the momentum will carry into the next congressional session in 2025, if it has to, and will lift the market structure bill and the long-awaited legislation to regulate stable coin issuers. Very, very important for us to create some form of legislation behind this, not just in the United States, but overall. If we really want the crypto industry to grow and to really have a solid base, we do have to have some kind of law behind it, okay? This is gonna help eliminate the bad actors, protect new users, and establish a very solid foundation for everybody to grow upon. Now, look, honestly, this is also your personal input needs to come into this, right? You need to be able to discern between what is good, what is bad, make your own personal decisions, and take control of your financial future by utilizing this technology in the best way possible for yourself. Now, let's take a quick look at what is happening with Bitcoin. Look, we can see that after the break from the W, we had that push to the upside. We hit the 71,000, almost 72,000. We have not yet created a higher high. So this is the level we are waiting to break. 73,700 is the level. Until we can break that, again, nothing has changed, right? We need to break, get support. And before that happens, we will need some volume in the market. Now, we've come back down. We have not created a lower low, and we're kind of just accumulating within this symmetrical triangle. Now, because we are in a bullish momentum, once we can hold this support, we have a high probability of breaking back above and potentially attempting to break that $73,000 range again. Now, regarding the volume, we can see that there is a bit more spot Bitcoin ETF inflow coming in. The last 2 weeks have been decent. We've been looking at this every single week. And this week, we've had a bit of an outflow on Monday with 105 million coming out and 150 coming. So still a bit more coming in. Yesterday, it seems pretty equal as well. Okay, until we get back to these levels, like I've said before, sideways price action, potentially a little bit lower movements are still in the cards. But the goal would be for us to hold this bottom 56,000, which in my opinion right now could potentially be the bottom of this last leg. And we're now prepping accumulation and getting ready for the next move to the upside. My pre-thinkers, that's all I got for you guys today. Take a minute and drop a comment for me. Let me know what are you up to and how you're preparing for this next leg of the crypto bull market. If you have not yet, subscribe to the channel. And my friends, I'll see you in the next one. Stefan out.